What's this one, John?
I'm over the moon.
Are you over the moon?
Yeah, of course.
Okay then.
Yeah, the justice is served.
Okay.
Hello everyone, welcome back to Sunny Live Channel. Thank you so much guys for tuning in. Guys, we're talking about Ngizwe Nkosi Mchunu, the former Ukhozi FM and the Root presenter Ngizwe Nkosi Mlando Mchunu has been granted bail of 2,000 rand following his arrest, and his case was postponed to the 21st of October 2021. The magistrate said the videos that was provided as evidence it does not show Ngizwe Mchunu inciting any violence beside the word as which its meaning is not well understood by many people. Ngizwe's bail has terms and conditions. He is not allowed to leave Durban except when he is attending his case in Johannesburg on the 21st of October 2021. He must not address any gathering. He must not on his social media pages post any propaganda for war, inciting imminent violence, or advocacy of hatred based on race, ethnicity, gender, or religion. Guys, this was terms and condition of his bail, but I'm asking myself, how will he visit his home at Nkandla where his mother and father are staying if he's not allowed to relocate from Durban? Looking at everything that have been happening, do you think the state have a case against Ngizwe Mchunu or not? And lastly, how will you define the word Azikale on your own version? I feel like in Palisi exam, guys, but yeah, please comment below and share your opinion. Bye.